Tony with New Dimension Cleaning and Protection, and I'm here with my buddy Nate, and he works at Star Carpet in the Boston showroom, and he's an account manager.
I heard that you might be able to help me with a viscose rug.
You're worried about the viscose in it? I think we can take care of it, but even better, you're gonna clean this rug in our facility.
Really?
At New Dimension. So let's get going.
Let's do this.
You're gonna be looking for any tears, dry rot, could be moths. Don't forget this was in someone's home for a while. Put that rug down, you look at it and you let it speak to you. It's gonna tell you, can it be fully wet cleaned? Is it gonna bleed? Just think this will do in 20 minutes what your grandmother did in a couple of hours.
Very impressive.
Look at that soil coming out.
I know, that's incredible. Well, it's a lot of work, Tony, as you can tell from the sweat on my shirt,
Yes, I can.
but it was worth it.